What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to take a look at Turbo. Currently sitting at 0.004642. We're up 16% on the day. Market cap 297 million. 24-hour on 141 million. So we're seeing a nice juicy push to the upside. We're up 26%, as you can see on the right here for Turbo. So we may be looking to push up into this resistance area, which is in between 0.005 and 0.0054 before we see some pullback. Now, with this being a meme coin, it can just explode to the upside. They're very volatile, but that is your next major level of resistance. So we may push up, pull back before seeing continuation. So we have a wave one up, a wave two pullback. What you can do is take a trend base of extension from the bottom of wave one all the way up to the top, to the bottom of wave two. And that would give you a wave three target all the way up to 161.8. Which could take Turbo all the way up to 0.0068. So from the current price, that's a nice juicy gain of about 43% for our friend Turbo. So it's been playing out exactly as we've been analyzing it. We went through the WXY correction, and now we've seen a wave one, wave two pullback, and now it looks like we're pushing up in the wave three. The larger wave count off the bear market low should take us all the way up towards 0.02 in that wave three, as if you take a trend base of extension from the bottom all the way up to the top of the wave one to the bottom of that correction. You can see here that the 161.8 target takes you up to about 0.019, which is very close to 0.02 in that juicy wave three. So that's what we're looking at for Turbo. Love to see it exploding today. Some of the other Landwolf had a big move, but it just looks like Turbo's seeing the big breakout today. So make sure to join Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on your fees when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, make sure to join my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.